Hi bro, so to change your RAM, you just need to do three things. First, you need to pull out the side panel to access to the inside of the computer. To do this, you need to place your computer on the side with the logo on the side pointing upward. After, on the back, you can see a screw. Unscrew it, and now pull out the panel, and now you have access to the inside, and you can already see the RAM.
In the computer, there's RAM sticks being held by locks, so if you want to change your RAM sticks, you have to push the locks outwards. After pushing the locks down, you should be able to pull the RAM sticks out of the computer. What is RAM? RAM means random access memory and is a key component of a computer, smartphone, or any digital device. It is a type of temporary memory that stores data and programs that are currently being used so the processor can access them very quickly. You can find different sizes of RAM going from 4 GB up to 32 GB. The one in this video is from an old computer which only has 256 MB.
How RAM works. When you open an application, game, program, etc., the necessary data is loaded from the storage device, SSD or hard drive, into RAM. The processor then reads and writes the information to RAM to run the program efficiently. The more RAM a device has, the better it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without slowing down. RAM also makes the computer faster, improves gaming performance, and allows you to run memory-intensive software. Final step. To replace the RAM module, simply press them back into place and then close the cover.